Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I know I missed a video this week, so I'll try to make it up. I'm just going to show you what I got for Christmas. And then I'm going to explain some other stuff to you. And we're going to talk about what's next. So anyways, what I got for Christmas. I have all these new little lights and they're turned on. So I'm going to turn this one off and show it to you. I thought they were so cool. They're little like shop lights and they're battery operated. So you just go like this and you can sit them anywhere and you can aim them and they're so awesome. And I thought these would be great for filming like down in the kitchen and stuff. So, and they have two, I'm not gonna aim it right at you, two brightnesses. And I have 4 of them. I got 2 sets and they come in a set of 2 and they were only $20 at Walmart. So I got 4 of them and I have them all going. I also have my other lights going though, because when I put them on, it's really cloudy day today. Who knew, right? Anyway, I love them. And the price, oh my gosh, if you film at all, see, they're pretty good. And you can hang them on the wall so they can go like this, or hang them on anything. You can just hang them up and then you've got light. I mean, it's not a lot of light, but that's why I got 4. So anyway, I got those for Christmas. I actually bought 2 for my husband, just like for shop lights. And then when I got home, I started thinking about it and I thought, I think those would be good for filming. Like when I do my food ones downstairs, I don't have to haul all this stuff down there. Although I am gonna tell you, we're not gonna be having any food videos for a while. Because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've gotten quite rotund. So we're going to talk about that at the end of the video though and find out what you guys want to do. Anyways, next thing that I got, and you guys are going to think I'm crazy for this because I asked for this. I got a soldering iron and some solder because I watched a video on YouTube of how to fix your iPhone cords, charging cords that are broken. And I thought, you know what? I have so many of those. I have some of those. And then I have the regular iPhone cords that are broken that came with my iPhones. And then I also have ones that I bought that have that braided stuff on the outside. And then you plug them in and they work for like 3 days. And then you start plugging them in. And you got to wiggle it around and stuff. So I want to take my broken iPhone end and put it on the perfectly good but doesn't work corded ones that I got from Amazon and see if that works. Anyways, I needed a soldering iron to do that with. So that's why I got that. That's why I asked for it. And you know what? When I told him, I'm like, honey, I need a soldering iron. Go by Harbor Freight and give it to me for Christmas. He didn't even ask. He just did it. I was so amazed. It was awesome. Anyway, moving on. Oh, you guys are going to love this one. And I love it too. I got this. It is a crossbody bag that I got from Anthropologie. I love it for when I go to, well, for when I travel and I don't want to carry my big old Louis Vuitton. This is it. I love it. It has I'll just show you. It hooks together like this, and then this has a little snap and it drops down. You have your little card things and a little pocket for like money. Not change, because that would fall out because it's just a snap. But then you also have this part that has a little flap in there for your phone or something. And then it's just a perfect size. It holds quite a bit actually. I saw one of my girls on Instagram had one, and this comes in a lot of different colors. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have no makeup on. It's a no makeup day because I got to get this video made. I got to drive to town, upload it at the library, and then I got to go to the grocery store and get my stuff for my diet that we're starting tomorrow, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Anyways, isn't this the most beautiful thing? And they come with, it comes in different colors. This one it's a rust color. It looks kind of orange, but I don't know if it says what the color is on here. But I will link it and it'll go straight to the right one. And that way you'll know. And it comes, the straps are different. They have it in black. They have it in a bunch of colors and a bunch of different straps too. But I thought this one was beautiful and unique. So it's like, it needs to be a vacation thing, right? Okay, next I got this. And I can't wait to try it. I haven't tried it and my hair's really dirty, so we're gonna try this one real soon. This is the Brushx. I haven't even opened it yet. And it's one of those, this one's supposed to be the best one that doesn't get too hot. And it's, you know, one of those blow dryer brush things. And I can't wait to try it. Because it's a big one. The Revlon one I got, the first Revlon one I got, it was awful. It was so hot. You could smell your hair burning. But then the second one I got, which I think was Revlon too, the little red one, I like that one pretty good, but it's small for my hair is so long that it takes a long time. So when I saw Amber Massey using this one on her extensions, because from what my daughter tells me, extensions take forever to dry. And they were doing a great job, and she said it doesn't get too hot. So I can't wait to try this one too. Maybe I'll do a video trying out all these things. Not today though. Today we gotta hurry up. And so, okay, the next thing I got, I'll just throw this in the floor for now. Let's see. We did the lights. Here. We'll do this one. This one came in this box. And it is what is it called? Quarter zip long sleeve base layer. A battery heated shirt. My son got this for me because I'm always cold. And this is what it looks like. Whoops, I don't have a good hold on it. And this one's mauve. And right here, it has a battery. And it's a USB, you charge it with a USB. And then on the sleeve, let me show you that first, because it's already plugged in so you can see. You push this button and you hold it down for 3 seconds. And it turns on. Oh, it didn't turn on. Uh-oh. Maybe I undid it when it worked yesterday. I don't think I left it on. Maybe you have to recharge it every time. Well, that's terrible. I was going to show you guys. Anyways, maybe I unhooked it in here. Nope, still hooked. Anyways, this is what it looks like in the pocket. And you just take this out and there's a cord that I have to it. Oh, actually, no, it's right here. You just unplug this, and then it's got a USB charger thing, and you just plug it into your little thing. And it also, once you charge this, you can use this to charge your phone. So it's cool. And it worked yesterday, so I know it works. It's just, I guess I left it on. Anyway, it's got 3 settings on it. Well, I don't know why I'm plugging it back in if I have to charge it. And then it's got this little thing so that you can cover that end when you put it away without the battery. Because I think you're supposed to put it away without the battery plugged in. That would be my guess why it's not working. Anyways, you just hold this down for 3 seconds and it turns red. And then you hit it again, not hold it, you just push it and it turns yellow. And then you hit it again, it turns green. So it's low, medium, and high. The high is red. And I tried it yesterday and it gets hot. I had it on red and it got hot. It's got a heating thing right in the back of your shoulders and one right across the front. And it wasn't cold enough for me to know because I felt the one on my back a lot and I didn't feel it as much in front because I had a layer of leggings underneath it. So I need to try it again once it gets cold to see how well I like it. But it's cool. So we need to do that, and then I need to charge that. Okay, and then from my husband, I got this, and I have to move these lights so you guys will see whether they were doing anything or not. Because I'm going to show you this. This is just the box because it was full, and I don't think I could have lifted it. Anyways, can you see that? Pots and pans. I know what you're thinking. He gave you pots and pans, but I was just so happy that he even tried. So I love them. And they are really, really nice pots and pans. They are really, really, really heavy, though. Because I took them all out of this and I stacked them in 3 little piles. I had to take them down one at a time because, not one at a time, pans, but one stack at a time They were so heavy. So anyways, they're beautiful. I love them. They're all stainless steel and dishwasher safe. Because you know what? If a pan's not dishwasher safe, it's trash. And they all have glass lids too. That was one thing we found out last time we bought pans. We bought 2 sets. I'm sorry. Last time we bought pans, we bought 2 sets. One set had like metal colored lids and one set had clear lids. We always use the clear lids even on the other pans. So we learned to get clear lids because we like to see if it's boiling and stuff. So anyways, I think that's it for my stuff. I have 2 items here that I got for the cats. First, I think I told you guys that Yzma only liked mice with real fur on them. And I couldn't find them at Walmart. I thought they had them. I found a bag on Amazon. 20 mice. 20 mice. And I think it was like $10. And and they have a little rattle in there. They're like the mouse that came with when I bought the cat tree. It had one little tiny string with one little mouse on it. She loved that mouse. And we recently, he was fixing the washing machine downstairs, I think, and he found that little mouse. She had lost it because she pulled it off the string a long time ago. And then she tore the ears off. Actually, I think she tore the ears off while it was still, when she was trying to get it off the cat tree. But he found it, and oh, she played with it, and then she lost it again. So that was like last week, she lost it again. So I thought, I'm gonna get her some mice like that. And now we got some backups here because I only took 2 out. And one more thing that I got. She loves the laser light. She is an attacker of the laser light. And you get tired of playing with it, you know, because I have a little laser pointer. But, you know, you get tired long before she does. And so I had seen this on Amazon and I just hadn't got it. And it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was, but it works. Not as good as the laser light that you can move. It comes on and it stays on for 15 minutes and then it turns off. And then I don't know how long it's off, but then it just comes back on all of a sudden out of the blue. It's cool. She can play all day long in intervals because she will stop playing with it because it kind of goes in the same pattern. It goes around in a circle and then it gets little and then it wiggles back and forth and then it goes this way and then it does it all over again. Well, she's way smarter than that. So she gets bored with it before the 15 minutes is up, but she probably plays with it for like 10, and especially in the morning when it comes on. And you don't have to leave it on the timer and you can make it go faster or you can make it go in a bigger circle because we have it on the smallest circle. So, because once it starts going up furniture and stuff, she loses it. She can't see it. I don't know why, but she does. Anyways, she loves it. Just so you know. Okay, now what we need to talk about next is my diet. I'm going to go on the juice diet again. This time I'm going to do it right though. My bestie is going to do it with me and she did it and lost 60 pounds. She did it twice in a row. You do it for 28 days and she did it the first 28 and then she did it again and she lost 60 pounds. And she told me, and then I did it. I've done it a couple of times, but I never go the 28 days. The last time I did it, I went the 28 days, but I cheated. I didn't really cheat as in I ate anything, but there's this one, on the weekends, you get to have 3 shakes instead, 3 juices instead of 2, and then like a shake. It's part of the plan, but you're supposed to put cacao, like cocoa, only it's the raw cacao, and tahini, which is like peanut butter, but it's natural, and honey. And I put way too much in there. And I didn't use cacao. I used Hershey's cocoa powder, the kind you make like cakes with and stuff. It doesn't have sugar in it or anything, but that's not what it said. And I only lost 12 pounds. And I've gained all that back since then. So she's going to do it with me. Oh, I wasn't finished yet. But she said the reason that, because the first time I quit after 3 weeks because I'd only lost 8 pounds. And I was so tired. But I always overdo. I always try to modify it and make it more so that I can lose faster and stuff. This time I'm not going to. I'm going to do exactly what she does. Because she recently they were going to Florida for vacation. So she went back on the restricted, the 28-day thing, but she only did it for 2 weeks. But she lost 16 pounds in 2 weeks. So I said, okay. And oh, she tried to tell me that before she lost so much because she had more to lose. Well, she didn't have more to lose this time. So she's going to go on it with me starting tomorrow. Today is Sunday. We're starting on Monday. I'm going to do everything she does exactly like she does it. And she doesn't do extra exercise. I mean, she's not like stagnant. She's a hairdresser. So she's on her feet all day and she walks, but she's not going to like start going to the gym or doing calisthenics at home. But she does stuff like she does gardening, but it's winter time, so she won't be doing that. So anyways, I'm going to exercise because I've always exercised. So that would be my normal. So anyways, I just wanted to know, this is why I'm telling you this. Do you guys want to do it with me? Do you want me to vlog every day and show you the juices that I'm making and tell you the exercises I'm doing and tell you how I feel? Or would you rather me just do it and not talk about it, not make vlogs or anything on it? I mean, I could still mention it, but not do like a series on it. And then just at the end, when I've lost the 60 pounds, do one whole video, which is basically I will start vlogging. I just won't post any of it until I'm all done. And then I'll make a video of my journey. Would that be better? Or would you just not care about it at all and I should just do it and do whatever I want and not really bother you guys with it? I want you to comment below. You got to tell me because like I said, I'm starting tomorrow. I will be vlogging it myself. I don't know if I'll be posting it until you guys tell me what you want to know. But because if I do, even if I like vlog every day, I won't post every day. That would be way too much work and it would be a recipe for failure for me. And it's probably going to mostly be on my phone because I don't want to have to do a big setup because that is another excuse for me to quit. So let me know what you want because I would probably post like once a week. Maybe twice a week if it's going really good or if you guys want me to. But that's it as far as the diet. And it would be a separate. I would still do at least my hot flash makeup once a week and maybe like another video like I've been doing on Sundays like this, Christmas stuff. Anyways, I would love it if you would let me know what you want or don't want and we'll play it by ear that way, and I'll let you know what's going on or not. Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I probably will do another video on this stuff just to let you know how I liked it because I really haven't tried any of it for reals yet, other than the cat toys. She loves those. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.